So we'll start with Mrs. Maharashtra, Neelam Patil. I want to call Siddesh sir, Dipti ma'am on stage and Simran ma'am. Please join us for the crowning of our subtitle winners. I call you, can we have Simran ma'am on stage? Please have a big round of applause. फोटो के लिए एक पोज दीजिए. Can we have a good picture with the subtitle winner? Okay. So, Mrs. Gujarat, Mitika Sakar. Mitika, can we have you on stage? Mrs. Gujarat. Can we come fast? Mrs. Gujarat, Mitika. We have our next category, North India, Rashmi Tato. Can we have Rashmi Tato? Can we have Rashmi Tato on the stage? Rashmi Jajo, North India. We have next category and may I ask Simran ma'am to come forward for crowning. South India, Varsha Shetty. May I ask Simran ma'am to come forward for crowning of Mrs. South India, Varsha Shetty. Congratulations, Varsha. Thank you. Simran ma'am, please be there. So we have next category. Congratulations. We have next category, Miss and Mrs. Photogenic. Miss Photogenic, Vaishnavi Patil. Congratulations, Vaishnavi. Our next category, Mrs. Photogenic, Sushma. Sushma on stage. Congratulations, Sushma. Next we have catwalk. Miss Tanishka. Miss category for best catwalk, Tanishka. participant of our Miss category, only 14-year-old. Please have a big round of applause for her. Best catwalk, Tanishka. In Mrs. category, best catwalk, Darshana. Darshana, can we have you on stage? The next category is runway model. In Miss, we have... Okay, we have Darshana. So next category, runway model, Miss Harsika Gindra. Next is Mrs. Runway model Amita Panchal. So we have Best Eye in Miss category, Shreya. In Mrs. category, we have Best Eye, Shreya. Woo! Congratulations. In Miss category, Best Eyes goes to Komal. Congratulations. We have one more category, public relation category, and we have in Mrs. Dipali.
Game over.
In Miss category for PR goes to Aishwarya Jadhav. The next category we have fit and fab. In Miss, we have Hasti.
just 1 more minute. I'm सभी लोग उठ सकते हैं अगेन. सोए या नहीं सोए? नहीं सोए ना? ओके कूल. सर एक स्पेशल कैटेगरी है जिसके एक सब टाइटल है. वो एक लड़की थी जिसने वो एक कंटेस्टेंट थी. She was a contestant from our show, and after that she saw something that she wanted to shift in the anchoring part also, in the production also, and to help Samir sir and all the tag people. So she has done many compromises with the show, like she has sacrificed many things. She has sacrificed their time, बच्चों को टाइम ना देना, हमको ज़्यादा टाइम देना, और आपने उनको अभी देखा था. So let us give a round of applause for Sarita. Please, music. She has got a subtitle of Fit and Fab. अभी म्यूजिक बजा.
फ्रेंड्स, जो छोड़ता है वही विनर है. तो सविता इज द विनर. शी हैज लेफ्ट actual competition and she has helped us to make this program a grand success. Thank you, Savita, for your compromise and for your sacrifice. Thanks a lot. Yeah, we like to honor Mangesh Bhai. Please hand over the trophy. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Yeah.
ओके शुरू से लेके आप जिनको देख रहे हो, ऑब्वियसली सरिता मैम थी और भी दो होस्ट थे. दैट वाज सो ब्यूटीफुल एंड सुपर्ब. सो लेट हैव अ राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर ग्रीष्मा. Let's welcome Rupal.
Yeah.
We had associated with one of the best designer in Thane, Sheetal Naik. Please come on the stage. Not that's why Sheetal Nigam. मुझे पता है last time Sheetal Naik बोला था, इसीलिए आप आए नहीं. तो she's Sheetal Nigam. Please be on the stage. The designer Sheetal Nigam.
Yeah.
Now we have a music DJ Wale Babu. Now we have a very important award from Thane Global Award, Mr. Kishore. Dr. Kishore Boricha. I can see. Sir, कहाँ हो आप? Oh, hello sir.
Now, I think so. We are waiting for the last moment and the most precious moment. So, I really want to ask, how was the performance put up by all the participants? I really want to ask. Okay, I see some few good hands, all right. And let me ask you a very tough question. Who you think would be the winner? I can see the excitement. I can see the excitement. And I'm sure this is the excitement which everybody is waiting for. All right, so we'll not waste much time and let's begin towards the award. And I really want to say one thing for all these beautiful participants. चलना है, करना है तो कुछ डट कर कर, करना है तो कुछ डट कर कर, दुनिया से थोड़ा हट कर चल, लीक पर तो सभी चल लेते हैं, आज तो थोड़ा इतिहास को पलट कर चल। तो आज इतिहास रचने वाला है इनमें से काफ़ी लोगों के लिए। So I would request all the jury members to please join us on the stage for the special crowning moment. And now,
I welcome all the jury and I also congratulate everyone. They all deserve a crown. But one crowning glory that we have with us, who is always there with us, Miss Simran Ahuja, our brand ambassador. Come on, let's hear some noise. Woo! Simran, you should be brand ambassador of Colgate also. You keep smiling all the time. God bless you, dear. And we have a lot to learn from you.
तो सर सिमरन का फेसबुक पेज पे आप देखेंगे तो आज दुबई है, कल गवर्नर हाउस, कभी सिंगापुर, कभी कहाँ कहाँ, और फिर आज थाना में आई. दैट इज अ प्राउड टू फॉर थाना इट इज. या सिमरन, you make us a proud. और आज कुछ भी शो में हो रहा है, that is all because of you. Thank you. Simran, we are thankful to you from the bottom of the heart. Though it was a first show, we have achieved some landmark. Yeah. And we are sure that with your support, Dipti and others, jury support, Swati, etc., so we'll take this show to the greater height.
And then we would say, like you, even the tag and this pageant will fly and we all will say, अगर देखना है हमारी उड़ान को, अगर देखना है हमारी उड़ान को, तो जरा ऊंचा करो और आसमान को.
Hello. Actually, I'm requesting all the contestants from Miss and Mrs. kindly come on the stage for the crowning moment, except the top 5 of Miss and top 5 of Mrs. Except top 5 and top 5, the way we have choreographed the same.
Just a minute, before we move forward, one more name to be announced.
Now we will be doing an international queen first, and after that we will be doing the crowning moment. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah.
So, we would like to call forward Kareena Dailani ji for International Queen title. I would call upon stage Kareena ji to felicitate and honor International Queen title. Kareena Dailani ji, we would like to have you here with us. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss International Queen Kareena Dailani ji. Come on. Woo! Next in line we have Avni Petrona. तालियों पे जोर दीजिएगा because we have one more title. Yes. Second winner, International Queen title, Avni Petrona. Do we have Avni with us?